Xiaomi confirms Poco F8 Pro and Poco F8 Ultra will debut globally on tomorrow. The Poco F8 Pro and F8 Ultra will be tweaked versions of the Redmi K90 and K90 Pro Max, which recently debuted in China. Poco F8 Ultra will be available in denim blue and black color. Phone feature a metal middle frame and carry an IP68/69 rating. The Poco F8 Ultra come with a larger 6.9-inch screen. Use OLED panels supporting 2K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. Poco F8 Ultra feature a 50-megapixel OmniVision Light Fusion 950 primary sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide 50MP5x periscope telephoto camera, a 32-megapixel selfie shooter. The Poco F8 Ultra Edition could run on the newer Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Offer up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.1 storage. The Poco F8 Ultra will include a 6,500 mAh battery, with support for 50W wireless and 100W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.